Hello everyone, welcome to Tableau training. Now we are moving into the module 2, which is nothing but data sources. Module 2 is nothing but data sources in our content. So first topic of the session is data sources. As I already briefed you in previous session, the way how we bring into the data into the system is nothing but data source. From which source we are going to create reports or views or dashboards is nothing but data source. So Tableau supports all the normal file systems, nothing but Microsoft Excel, text files, PDF, everything will support, and also native file systems, meaning that like the licensed um, Oracle database, whichever we have license, so we can connect. And similar to it from the cloud also we can pull the data. So what database? Nothing but Oracle database. If you have the username, password, and login credentials, you can log in and pull data. And then here we see the two servers in which server. So Microsoft Google Sheets also we can pull, and the web connector. So all these things will be supported by the Tableau. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.